Are you a medical graduate from Russia, Ukraine, China, or any other European countries and looking for a suitable place to work or get training, hands-on training? Advanced Trauma and Multi-Specialty Hospital at Bhagalpur, Bihar, India is offering such facility. You can join us simply by sending your resume on email. We are offering you hands-on training in various departments in trauma sector, general surgery, arthroscopic and laparoscopic surgery, general surgery including the ICU and general management also. So hurry up, you can send your resume. We will certainly respond shortly. Thank you.